It's a female cardinal. She's right outside the bus window. It's a cat. Even though the sun was out, we still have not dried out. It's a lot of mud. So you can see, trying to spin our tires around in this. It's very slick. It's like clay slick. You know, that kind of slick. We're raining all day. You can see the ruts, you know, just spinning around, getting through it. So, indoor sports, because again, I only have two-wheel drive. I'm hoping we get dried out soon, because I'll be damned if I'm going to keep spinning my tires around in this. It's alright. It's all part of off-grid living. Enjoy your day, and don't forget to play. See you!